Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install Python to our machines. In order to be able to install it to our machine, you have to go to the website. So actually, this is the website, python.org. You will go to download tab and you will download that file. Once you download it, you will go to download folder where you downloaded it and you will double click on that file. Once you double click on it, you will come to this window. You will choose add python.exe to path. Okay, once you click this, you will go to customize installation, go to next, then you will choose, for example, to install it for all users, and you will, for example, down here, you will, I am I prefer actually to install it to C directly, then I will install. Well, then it will go through the installation, and once it finish, we will see what will happen. I'm gonna pause the video, then I will come back once it finish. And here we already got it. Actually, now it's installed already on the computer. We'll go to cmd, command prompt. Then I will write the following command to make sure Python dash dash version. Now it will tell me actually which version you have in your machine right now, installed to your machine right now. And you can, by that, you can write Python directly to your command prompt. Like for example, if you want to write the first code using Python, like for example, hello world, then enter. So it will print out this hello world here on the screen. That was actually simply how to install the language itself in your machine to be able to write the code using Python and test it on your laptop or on your PC. See you next video.